Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Kaufman, and I'm here today to tell you all about my terrain workshop, Love Your Liver. In my experience working with hundreds of clients, I've found that the number one barrier to achieving your optimal health results is problems with your liver's performance. Over time, because of our lifestyle and culture and the things we're exposed to, we have this issue where our livers get gummed up and congested over time to the point when they can't fully achieve the right performance that we need for healing. When we go through a healing detoxification process, what happens first is that the toxins begin to be released from the places in our body where they're stored or where they're causing us health problems. As this progresses, they make their way into the blood, and the blood brings them all to the liver. And that's the big powerhouse of detoxification, where all those toxins become chemically transformed into a water-soluble substance that can be easily removed completely from the body, either through the kidneys or through the bowels and ultimately into the toilet. Unfortunately, when our livers become too gummed up or congested, they can't process these toxins from our blood adequately. And this can lead to cleansing reactions such as skin rashes or flu-like symptoms, as well as the inability to heal successfully or completely, or if the troubling symptoms come back in a short amount of time after going through a healing process. In all these cases, the liver may be compromised and may be the cause of these less than optimal outcomes. So in this workshop, I will spend 90 minutes teaching you first why and how our livers get gummed up and what they are supposed to do to help us in the first place, and of course how to recognize if you have this issue yourself. Then I will go through my new Liver Love protocol step by step, which will teach you all the aspects of how you can completely allow your liver to fully heal to an optimal state so that your body can heal to achieve your full health goals and optimum vitality. And this will include hydration, diet, as well as special procedures to address your liver directly. In addition to the 90-minute presentation, which will also include a question and answer session, there will be the full protocol, Liver Love protocol, that will be included for download, as well as the Liver Foods fact sheet, which will give you some helpful facts about nutrition that is harmful and helpful for your liver to guide your dietary planning. I hope you will join me to experience this workshop and learn all about your liver and how you can achieve optimal health and vitality.